Almost everything is manufactured, from the furniture in our rooms
to the toothbrush you hopefully used this morning.
If you didn't grow it from the ground,
chances are it was manufactured.
Many of the things we take for granted every day,
like the walls in our homes,
to the beds we fall asleep in.
These items are a staple in all of our lives.
And most times, we don't even think twice about them.
Some items are manufactured small,
and others are manufactured big.
They are built in factories and plants all around our community.
And that's what we'll discover today.
Welcome to the manufacturing industry.
The manufacturing industry is one of the fastest growing industries around, and there are many companies looking to hire now.
Manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials, components, and parts that meet a customer's expectations or specifications.
Manufacturing commonly employs a manned machine setup with division of labor in a large-scale production.
And the manufacturing industry is driving innovation.
Here at Mosaic, we bring in raw materials and we process it into fertilizer, and then we ship it out to distributors.
We make crop nutrients or fertilizer. We mine phosphate rock here in Central Florida at our mining facilities, and we bring it to the concentrate plants. There, they process it into fertilizer, and we distribute that all over the world.
Here at Mosaic, it really feels like a family atmosphere. Everybody is close-knit, they look out for one another.
Every day can bring a unique challenge. We have a lot of opportunity for people of all different various backgrounds. We value everyone's opinion and the different perspectives that they bring.
Here at Mosaic, we are looking for motivated people who want to come to work and do their best.
Self-starters, highly motivated individuals that come to work on time, that can work in a team atmosphere, and just aren't afraid to get out and get after it every single day. So some immediate opportunities for kids just graduating high school. We have a lot of entry-level field operator positions.
You are trained on our mobile equipment and also trained on our standard operating procedures. You are paired with a designated trainer.
You come in, you learn the process, you learn the different departments that we have at the various sites. From there, we encourage a lot of lateral movement, so you can either decide to stay as a field operator for many years and learn everything that the plant has to offer. We have mechanical apprenticeships where you can actually become a qualified journeyman mechanic. Electrical programs, you can continue to move up into leadership positions, either as supervisors of other hourly individuals or salary leadership, if you so desire. So their possibilities are endless.
Here at Mosaic, we offer a wide variety of benefits, including medical, dental. We offer tuition reimbursement, vision. You are eligible for 401k, and we start at a comparable salary.
So safety is very important. We start all of our morning meetings and our daily discussions with safety topics, and really we are our brother's keeper. Everything we do with the company is to make sure that you're looking out for your own safety, but as well as the safety for the man or woman next to you.
One of the best parts of working for Mosaic is that you're part of a bigger picture. We are able to not only help the local community and farmers, but also able to help provide food to different countries.
The real heart of Mosaic, what really gets everybody passionate, is that we are truly making a difference in the world.
Manufacturers in the U.S. contribute to more than 3/4 of all private sector research and development in the nation.
There are nearly 12.5 million manufacturing workers in the United States, accounting for the 8.5% of the workforce.
That means if the U.S. manufacturing industry was its own economy, it'd be the 9th largest economic power in the world.
Over the next decade, nearly 3 million manufacturing jobs will likely be needed,
which means more high-paying job opportunities for you.
We are a steel fabricator based out of Tampa, Florida, and we specialize in manufacturing bridges. We are the oldest surviving steel structure fabricator in the Southeast. Some of our most notable projects have been the Epcot Ball, Spaceship Earth at Disney. We've also built parts of the Selman Expressway, the Florida Aquarium, and we helped build the Tampa International Airports.
Working here, I find out they build a lot of stuff. Pretty awesome. I've been here 6 months, and we're building pieces for an airport. You know, every time y'all getting off and on a plane, I'm a piece of bees in there.
So a standard work week is 40 hours, and we work 54-hour work weeks at Tampa Steel. So the first 40 hours, you'll get your base pay at $18, and then every hour after that, you'll get time and a half, which comes out to be $27 an hour.
I was interested to work here because what they started me at was a good pay at the end of the week, plus the overtimes, it adds up. And, you know, we get time and a half. So we're working 6 days a week, you're gonna have a good check.
So we are looking for employees that can show up on time. That's over 90% of the job. If you can just get here, then we'll give you the tools that you need to succeed.
Work hard, whatever you want, you can get. You just gotta put your mind to it.
To be a part of Tampa Steel Erecting Company, you need absolutely zero experience to start off with us. We will teach you everything you need to know. You just need to show up, and then we'll teach you the skill sets. And if you're interested in obtaining a position further down the road, something more skilled, we can teach you how to be a burner. We can also teach you on-the-job training of how to weld.
There's always room to move up here. You just gotta want it and show up on time. They're gonna see you, oh, that's a good worker. Let's give them a raise, let's move them up.
So some of our entry-level positions are laborer and helper, and then from then on out, you can move up to positions such as helper, layout fitter, welder, burner, machine operator, forklift operator.
We get good benefits. You know, the longer you stay, the more you get.
So Tampa Steel Erecting Company is a great company to work for because we have outstanding employee benefits, full health insurance, and we also are part of the union, so you pay into your pension that you'll get later on. And we also build incredible projects that will be standing far beyond any of us are still alive. So that's nice to be able to contribute something that's a lot bigger than oneself.
Manufacturing is a fast-growing, large-scale production industry that has so many opportunities for anyone who is willing to work hard and wants to make a difference.
There are tons of job opportunities that will produce positions that are satisfying and fulfilling for anyone looking for a great career.
And the training and certifications for these jobs are available to you right now at places like HCC, Hillsborough County Technical Colleges, and your own high school.
And more training and certifications
means more money in your pockets.
So if you're up to the challenge of being part of an incredible career,
check out the manufacturing industry.
They're not only making things here great in the community,
they're also making things great.